Hi guys, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. Recently I posted a video about this element and I received a lot of comments about pendant. So this one is very simple. It's herringbone stitch, but it's a little bit twisted. So today I am making a bunch of the pendants for my simple line, and I decided to film it for you how I do it. So I have like different stones that I encased with the wire. So let's do it. So this one is pretty thick. I use thick wire also. I usually leave a little bit space, about that much. I will use 21 gauge wire. So all we have to do like 2 wraps. You can cut excess wire or you can twist it, the rest. Just go around your bead. Because it's twisted, it doesn't, you don't have to worry about perfection. So we have 2 wraps. The third, I usually don't go around, just go to the top. And again, don't wrap here, go to the top. So you have here less, here more, right? When you go your last time, you try to hug those 2 wires you did. So we did 2 without going around this wire, right? So now we go through all of those. And just secure it. Go to the top again. So if you feel it's enough, you can stop. And you just twist your wires. Because this wire is thick, I will cut. Usually I hammer and also file the end and make bail. So I want to show you the designs I did. Like this heart was not twisted, but just around the here is some other beads that I wrapped, and I just need to continue as a necklace. This one 21 gauge also. This one done with 24 gauge wire. It's also 24, 24. It's really nice idea when the bead is that way, not drilled this way, so it looks nice as a form. So when I finished this morning, I use 21 gauge and then 24 on top. So 21 is inside the thick wire here, and then the top finished with 24 and just molded. So you can really make cute things. And that's the simple one, round cross bead. I hope, guys, it's useful, and any question I can film something again. Thank you for watching. Bye.